I the only one in this hall with an umbrella? Guys, it's raining. Come on. Really? No one can feel it? I think I know why you can't feel it. Because this rain is not water. I'm talking about a rain of particles. What are particles? Thank you for asking. Water, the usual rain that you know, is made up of H2O, 2 molecules of hydrogen, 1 of oxygen, the usual blah, blah, blah. But in each molecule, you have these 2 atoms of hydrogen, and each atom has 1 proton and 1 electron. The proton is 100,000 times smaller than the atom, and the electron is another 1,000 times smaller. And these are the particles I'm talking about. So tiny, it's obvious you don't see them or even feel them. But did you know that right now, on my umbrella, there's at least 1,000 particles falling every second that I'm speaking? But if you don't see them, you don't feel them, how are you going to detect them? Well, good news is that some of these particles carry an electric charge. And when it passes through some materials, they leave behind an electric discharge. So our detectors will go beep every time a particle goes through it. Scientists, many years ago, 100 years ago, when they first saw it, they thought it's from the radioactive substances in the soil. But scientists, being scientists, wanted to conclusively prove it, so they took their detectors, went deep into the sea, onto the Eiffel Tower, and some brave ones made these huge balloons, put their detectors on them, and flew even higher than the Eiffel Tower. And what they found was surprising, because instead of counting these beeps becoming lesser, they found that the higher they went, there were more of these beeps, so more particles, which means that these mysterious, super tiny, but super fast and energetic particles were coming from the sky, from outer space, or the cosmos. And that's how these particles got the name cosmic rays. Now, what do cosmic rays tell us? Can they tell us anything at all? Anything about the universe? Can we catch them like we catch raindrops with a bowl? The answers will be in part 2, hopefully. See you there. Bye-bye.